I'll be telling you 4 best ways to make money online right now. Let's go. What is up guys, my name is Orinn and welcome back to my channel. If you're excited about this video, be sure to give this a big thumbs up right now. If you want to learn more about online businesses and all things entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. So for number 1, it's Shopify dropshipping. Shopify dropshipping is at the top of my list because e-commerce is not going anywhere. More and more people are actually wanting to buy online rather than going to the store. Gas prices are also going up, and honestly e-commerce is really the future. And dropshipping is also so convenient. You can actually sell a product without that product ever being in your hand. It's a great option to get started with if you don't have enough money to buy inventory or spend on your business. Also, you need to get started somewhere, and I completely understand if you don't want to spend money on products that you have already not tested and you did not find out if the product is viable. Dropshipping is something that I absolutely suggest. All you need is a computer, Wi-Fi connection, and a basic understanding of how to market and sell products online. So for the beginners watching this, dropshipping is simply when you set up a website and you display a product on your website which you have found on a wholesale website. So to give you an example, first you go to Alibaba or AliExpress and find a product that you want to sell. Look for trending products under the ready to ship tab, as majority of the dropshipping companies will be over here. Let's assume this product costs $50. Then you need to create a simple Shopify website, list that product on your website with a price that you want to set. Let's assume you're charging $80. So when someone places an order for that product on your website, the customer pays you the retail price of $80. You then forward this order to your supplier and pay them the wholesale price. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer and you make a profit of $30 without even ever having to see the product. You are basically just the middleman who is connecting the wholesaler and the customer with your storefront, and you get to keep a profit. I have beginner friendly dropshipping videos on my channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. You can check them out. Number 2 is social media marketing. For this job, you literally need just internet connection and a computer, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. Social media is an awesome, lucrative, and flexible business. In this digital age, this really is one of the best businesses to do right now. More and more businesses and brands are popping up every day, and they are constantly looking for help social media wise. Be it e-commerce, print on demand, affiliate marketing, even restaurants, anything really. If you do some good research and if you learn the skills, you will be able to earn a lot of money in no time. Social media managers offer content creation, daily maintenance, hashtag research, post scheduling, ad management, and you can actually charge whatever you want. Typically, social media management agencies would have their basic packages starting at $700 to $1,000 per month. And then you can obviously charge much more for your premium or custom packages. There's so much information on this topic on YouTube, TikTok, and also on some of the good podcasts. You can actually learn this in no time. And with TikTok and its organic reach, building a client base is so easy right now. You can create a TikTok page and promote your business on there. You can also have your clients book a strategy call with you, and you can charge for that from somewhere around $150 to $200 per session. Number 3 is drop servicing. Drop servicing is very similar to drop shipping. Drop shipping is basically when you are selling a product from a supplier without ever having to touch or see that product. Well, with drop servicing, you are still the middleman and you are leveraging other freelancers to sell their services without you ever having to do the work. So this is how it works. Say for example, you want to make money editing YouTube videos and you don't know how to edit videos, or you don't want to edit the videos. So what you simply do is sign up for one of the freelancing websites like Fiverr or Upwork and create a gig which says that you are a video editor. Or another option would be that you reach out to YouTubers and ask them that if they need help with video editing. So the next step for you would be to actually find a freelancer who edits videos. So for example, the freelancer charges $20 per video. When you receive an order from your client, you simply pass this editing job to the freelancer. They edit the video and give it to you, and you send this to your client and you charge them $60. You then simply pay $20 to the freelance video editor and keep the rest as profit. I do know a couple of people who actually makes a good amount of money doing drop servicing. And number 4 is to sell on Amazon KDP. If you don't know what it is, KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing is Amazon's ebook self-publishing platform, which allows authors to sell their books to Amazon's massive audience without the hassle of going through a traditional publishing company. With KDP, authors can create ebooks and paperback books without any upfront costs or inventory orders, such as cookbooks, children's books, novels, etc. But hear me out, you do not have to be an author to do this. The best way to get started and making money on KDP is by just creating journals and notebooks. Once you sign up with KDP, you can simply use websites like Canva and use their ready-to-use templates for journal covers, and then you can just simply change that up a little bit, and there you go, you have a journal cover. And for the interiors of your journal, I suggest BookBolt. I'll leave a link for all of these in my description box below. You can check them out. Once you put all of this together, you simply list it on your KDP account, and then when someone places an order, Amazon will print it out for you and send it to the customer. This is a great passive income source, and if you do it correctly, it can make you from somewhere between $2,000 to $4,000 per month. If this video was helpful or added any value, please give us a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in comments below if you have any questions. I'll try my best to answer most of them, and I'll see you in the next one.